Here's how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Now, I have Instagram opened on my iPhone as well as my Android. I'll show you the exact steps on both devices. Now, we need to get to your messages, so tap on the airplane icon at the bottom center, and then just hop into a conversation. I'm just going to hop into my other account. If you tap on the photo icon next to the message, you'll be able to see it pops up with your photo gallery, and you can just send a random photo just like that. But it doesn't allow this to be a disappearing photo. To send a disappearing photo, you need to tap on the camera icon right to the left of message, again on either iPhone or Android, and then take a quick video or photo. And after you've done that, you can see at the bottom left, tap on where it says allow replay, keep in chat, or view once. And then on Android, it says view twice. However, I can switch this to view once. And now when I hit the send button, it is just a one-time view of this photo. After they tap on it and view it once, they won't be able to see it again. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.